Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Dr. Rusman. We are from Group 10 and today we will be presenting about business case study related to sizzling station. Our group member consists of me, Anisa Isa binti Hussein, metric number 280085, Nurul Nabila binti Muhammad Isa, metric number 280905, Syahira binti Samsudin, metric number 280165, and the last one is Nur Syafiqah binti Ahmad Zamri, metric number 278392. In order to complete this project, we have interview at a food stall near V-Mall, which is sizzling and a la carte station. Before we go into details, let me explain about the background of the business. Sizzling and a la carte station is a sole proprietorship business and was established by Nik Azni bin Nikla in 2010. This business is located at Lot 56 Varsity Mall, University Utara, Chandun, Kedah, and its operation runs from 9:30 until 10:30. So, what type of thing does this business provide? This business offers a variety of food such as sizzling yummy, claypot rice, sizzling noodle, and a variety of fried rice. Other than that, this store also provides suitable meals for students since the prices are reasonable and also affordable. What about business social media? As mentioned by the owner of the business, customer demand toward their business is high. In order to avoid any difficulties and so on, they probably do not have any account on social media to attract more customers and increase their sales. Now I will talk about contact diagram. Contact diagram is a visual representation that provides an overview of a system and its interaction with external entities. Based on the diagram above, it shows the sale order process system of the business. There are two external entities that are involved in the business, which are customer and bank. First, customer make an order toward the cashier, and then the cashier will record the sale into the system, which is the business use louvers post on sale to record their sale. Customer make a payment after their order has been confirmed by the cashier. Customer order will be recorded into two accounts, which are a general ledger account as a sale and also a cash receipt account as a cash sale. All the cash receipt will be deposited into a business bank account as revenue for that day and will receive a statement from the bank to acknowledge revenue of the business.
Next, I will present a physical data flow diagram. A physical data flow diagram (DFD) for a revenue cycle business for sizzling and a la carte represent the flow of physical documents, data, and information within the system. It typically involves various processes related to the sale of food products, handling transactions, and managing inventory. As we can see from the diagram, there are two external parties involved, which is customer and bank. Besides, the diagram also involves four entities, which is cashier, kitchen crew, sales department, and accounting and finance department. The first entity that is involved is the cashier. This happens when the customer make a sale order at the stall, which is to the cashier. Then the cashier will update the customer order data to the system. Sales order will record by cashier and customer will get sale receipt when they already complete the payment at the cashier. Then the cashier will make the sales detail to the sales journal and the sales journal data will give to the second entity, which is kitchen crew. Kitchen crew, which is also known as general worker, will make the order to the customer. The third entity that is involved is the sales department. They record data from the cashier when continuously update to the sales department. This means that the cashier will reconcile cash in hands with the sales records and give the detailed information to this entity. Sales department will deposit slip to the external party, which is bank. The last entity involved was accounting and finance department. This entity will get information about sales journal data from the cashier and general ledger data from the sales department.
Okay, for the next part, we will take a look at logical data flow diagram. As your information, the flow of this revenue cycle for the logical DFD is likely as the context diagram, but it is more detailed compared to context diagram with the process involved. So, for this logical data flow diagram, it can be seen that the sales process begins with a customer placing an order. Therefore, the first process is the company will receive an order and secondly check to bill to the customer. Next, the order receipt will be used to prepare the order to provide foods to the customer. After that, the cash receipt will be used by the entity to reconcile cash in hand with the sales record and to prepare deposit. So, the deposit slip will be sent to the bank. Next, from the bill customer, the details of the sales order in the system of the business will update to the inventory record by review stock release before post it to the general ledger. So, in conclusion, in this logical data flow diagram, it can be seen clearly what entity of sizzling and a la carte station UUM do in the cycles, and there are few steps and document involved starting from receiving an order, billing customer, prepare the order, make reconciliation cash in hand with sales record, prepare deposit, update inventory record, and lastly, post it to the general ledger. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
I will continue the presentation, which my part is the document flowchart. As we can see, this is basic technology sale order processing system flowchart of sizzling and a la carte station UUM. It has 5 departments, which are sale department, billing department, kitchen crew department, inventory control department, and general ledger department. For this document flowchart will only be explained in roughly and not so detailed. For the first part, which is in the customer section, the first document involved is the customer order. After successfully receiving the order, they need to prepare the sale order that generate 5 documents, which 3 of them are order receipts and 2 of them are sale order. One of the order receipt and sale order will remain in the system. Meanwhile, the other one of the order receipt will be sent to the kitchen. Besides, the other sales order in the sale department will transfer to the billing department. In addition, under the billing process, after the customer makes the payment detail will be generated and sent to the customer back with the order receipts. Furthermore, under the billing department, from the sale order, it will reconcile the bill customer and generate payment details, stock release, journal voucher, and sale journal. And at the end of the process, the stock release in the billing department will be posted to the inventory control department. Meanwhile, journal voucher in the billing department will be posted to the general ledger department. In inventory control department, the stock release will be updated to the inventory subledger and the system. Meanwhile, in the general ledger department, the journal voucher will be updated in the general ledger report. Then, the management report will be generated and sent to the manager. Last but not least, to conclude all of the document details, the document flow in this business is clearly shown in the document flow chart. That's all from me and Group 10. Thank you.